Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Must Watch Tips. And today's topic is ChatGPT, the world's hottest topic. And I will be showing you how to start using ChatGPT and top 5 ChatGPT life hacks that will change your life. I'll be showing you some super cool tips and tricks to help you improve your health, writing, learning, and basically make your life easier with this amazing language model. So do watch this video till the end. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing this channel. So before you start using ChatGPT, let me tell you a little bit about it. So what is ChatGPT actually? So ChatGPT is an AI chatbot that uses natural language processing to create human-like conversational dialogue. The language model can respond to questions and compose various written content, including articles, social media posts, essays, codes, and emails. So basically, ChatGPT is a form of generative AI, a tool that lets user enter prompts to receive human-like images, text, videos that are created by AI. So yes, you can say that ChatGPT is similar to the automated chat services found on customer service websites, as people can ask questions or request clarifications to ChatGPT's replies. And now you must be wondering what the GPT stands for. So the GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer, which refers to how ChatGPT processes requests and formulates responses. Now, many of you must be thinking that who created ChatGPT? So the answer is OpenAI. So OpenAI is an AI research company created and launched ChatGPT in November 2022. It was founded by a group of entrepreneurs and researchers including Elon Musk and Sam Altman in 2015. OpenAI has also created DALI, which is an AI text-to-art generator. And as I told you that ChatGPT was launched in 2022, so what I want to convey from that line is that the training data sets of ChatGPT ends with 2021 content. So there is a lack of knowledge for data and events after 2021. So this is all you should know about ChatGPT. So now let us begin with what you all are waiting for. Yes, how to start using ChatGPT, and I will be showing you top 5 life hacks which can change your life if you will use ChatGPT. So first of all, you need to create an account on ChatGPT. So let's go to this website chat.openai.com, and by hitting enter, it will land you to this page. And if you have already created an account on ChatGPT, then click this login button. Or else, if you haven't created one, then click on this sign up button. For now, let's click on sign up. So now it is asking for you to enter the email address, or you can continue with your Google account as well. So after logging in with your Google account, you need to verify it with your email ID or mobile number, and then you can start using ChatGPT. So yes, this is the default window which you will see whenever you will open ChatGPT. And on the left hand side, you will see certain buttons such as the button for new chat. And in the down here, you can see an option to upgrade plan. So basically difference between the upgrade plan is you will get additionally some features which are not available in your free plan. And below this, you can see your ID or name. And if you click on these three buttons, there are certain buttons as well: help, setting, and logout. So if you click on setting, you can choose light theme as well in this. And there are certain options of data control which you can explore at your end. So the most powerful thing which ChatGPT can do is it can summarize your long paragraphs into a simple and short paragraph. Let us see one example of it. So let us say you have a website in which you have detailed information about pollution, and now we want to summarize this paragraph. So you can imagine that how much time you will invest reading this and then making summary out of this. So instead what you can do is you can select all the paragraphs which you want to make summary from. You can then copy this text, and then you can ask ChatGPT to summarize this paragraph below, and then you can press shift enter and paste that paragraph over here and press enter. And now you can see the magic is happening. Wow. ChatGPT has created a simple and short paragraph for you. From that, all the bunch of paragraphs which you have copied. And you can see how lengthy were that paragraphs and how much time you would have invested if you haven't used ChatGPT. Isn't that pretty cool? Now, ChatGPT not only summarizes the paragraph, but it can also summarize the whole book. Yes, you heard it right. It can summarize whole books into a one paragraph which you can refer to. Let us say one example of it. So there is one book which I always wanted to read, but however I didn't get a time, so I will search that book summary over here. The author of the book is Agatha Christie. So let us see. Summarize and here you go. ChatGPT has created a summary based on that book. And now you can go through this 4 to 5 paragraphs and you can have an idea of what the book is about. Also, this tool can summarize movies as well. ChatGPT can be your teacher as well. Yes, it can teach you various things. Like, for example, let us say you want to learn piano. So you can directly ask ChatGPT to teach you how to play piano. So this is how ChatGPT can give you certain points which can make you learn how to play a piano. You can ask whatever you want to learn from ChatGPT. Let us take one more example. Suppose you want to learn a language, like for example, you want to learn Spanish. So you can ask ChatGPT to teach you Spanish. This tool can even teach you how to use certain softwares. This tool can also be your personal doctor. No, this will not be a physical doctor, but can give you awesome advices which generally doctors gives us. So yes, this tool can make you healthy. Now, it can be your virtual gym trainer also. You can ask and it can give you 7 days calorified balanced diet. And it can tell you in detail that what you can have in breakfast, lunch and dinner as well. ChatGPT can even be your advisor. You can take advice from ChatGPT like a friend. Like for example, you can take advice about your investments and it can give you various ideas where you can invest. You can even ask ChatGPT how to tackle some problems. You can define it very granularly and it can give you precise answers, whichever is relevant according to your situation. It can even advise on your career paths after you pass certain exams. If you want to play a game and you don't have anybody to give you a company, then don't worry. ChatGPT can be your game partner as well. Yes, with the help of ChatGPT, you can play games like word association, trivia, would you rather, storytelling, and even riddles and puzzles. Okay, so let us ask a tricky riddle to ChatGPT. And here you can see that ChatGPT can answer our toughest riddles in just few seconds. One interesting feature which I personally like about ChatGPT is that it can become a problem solver. Yes, you can ask any questions to ChatGPT and it can answer your questions very easily. Like for example, here I have asked a question of physics and this is how ChatGPT has responded to it. And let me ask one another question about chemistry. So this is how ChatGPT has responded to chemistry question. But one thing you must make sure while you are searching a problem on ChatGPT, especially when you are searching a problem about mathematics which involves a calculation. You may find the correct method, but it might happen that the calculations are sometimes wrong. So to summarize, let us see what all things a ChatGPT can do. It can answer questions, it can do language translation, it can be your writing assistance, it can help in paraphrasing and summarization, it can do brainstorming and creative writing, it can also perform basic calculations, it can provide explanations in detail, and even it can provide you variety of recommendations. But it's very important to note that if we are using ChatGPT, then yes, ChatGPT can be a helpful tool, but it may not always provide accurate or reliable information. ChatGPT itself says this. It's always a good idea to verify critical information from reliable sources before delivering it to anybody. So that is all what I have to cover in this video. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing this channel and share it with your friends. Also, if you are fond of making presentations in PowerPoint or you love to play with numbers in Microsoft Excel, then you can visit our channel and enjoy step-by-step tutorials of various topics. And now it's time to say you goodbye.